Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a while since we've seen you last. In our last modification, we've had so much popularity and interest in this. We did sell the other Stinger before we got done with the modifications, but we do have a new one that we are doing some more modifications to continue our series on our modifications with our Stingers. So we are going to be doing the exhaust today. Tim Woods, Lawrence Kia again. We are continuing with our Stinger modification. Today we are going to be installing the ARC catback exhaust system on this Stinger. We're going to have a comparison also before and after. I have Mike start it up, and that way you can hear the before, and then we will show a couple of videos as we go along installing this, and then we'll give you an after video. Mike, if you would. There is your before. We will be working on this, show you a couple of videos as we go, and we'll back see you just shortly. Guys, we did want to point out what we were going to be changing out today, which is going to be the mid-pipe back, which will be starting from right here behind the converters, going all the way back to the exhaust and replacing this back here. Mike is going to get started here in a little bit, and we will get you another video in just a little bit. All right, guys, Mike is in the process of removing the exhaust. On the back side, it's not really hard. We were working on getting the exhaust hangers loose. And then you take off the two bolts that are hanging onto the mid pipe. And it slides right off. So we've got both of those off. And he'll be working onto the mid pipes next. And once he gets the support off the middle, he'll be removing the two bolts up against the catalytic converters, and the mid pipe will come out. And then we will be installing the cat back exhaust next. All right, guys, so we've got the new exhaust put on. We're going to show it to you right here from the mid pipes back. And this is the ARC catback system. Pretty easy to install. There's only a few bolts to undo and new gaskets and that to put back on. And now we're going to lower it down and start it up and give you the end result. So we're ready to start now and do a comparison. All right, now this completes this section of our modification for the Stinger. Look forward to more stuff coming soon.